everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new earning project. From this project you can earn cryptocurrency and many other things from a single platform. So without wasting our time we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notifications. So simply we can go to the website. As you can see, the website was open. Chase is the name of this project, or Cash is a unique project and give you a smart opportunities of earning from a single platform. I will tell you how you can participate in it and be the member of this project. And I already tell you that the link and detail of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join it. As you can see, Cash is a smart wallet to restore frozen assets caused by lost seed purchase, password and keys, solving a current 450 billion problems. And you can see many more opportunities in a single platform. It giving you a wallet to secure your assets in your mobile phone or a simple from your wallet. So it's a very good opportunity for you. So simply we can scroll down. As you can see, first of all, AI agent was available in this project, raw transfer, proof of time lock and many more opportunity. You can see, simply create your wallet on this platform and it's give you many more opportunities and give you a totally secure transactions and each and everything. Auto bridging network option was also available, that give you a networking security and no keys, no problems and easy restore. Decentralized biometrics was option was also available. So these are the main thing which gives you a surety that this project was totally secure and your assets was totally safe in the wallet. So simply we can more scroll down. You can see utilities was available, time lock transfer, deadman switch, escrow, multi-chain support and many more things you can see in this project. As you can see, multi-chain support is a very good opportunity for you. You can make transaction from Ethereum, BNB smart chain, Solana base, Polygon and many more other network option was also available in a single platform. So it's a good opportunity for you. And next you can see use cases was option was available. Your wallet was totally secure and protected. High value purchasing option was available and estate planning was also available. So must participate in it and read the details and join this project. Now you can see competitive analysis was available, anonymous. You can see wallet details and surety about this wallet you can see on screen. So must participate in it and it's give you many more opportunities and secure your assets in the wallet. So these are the main thing. And now the important thing of this project was showing on screen. As you can see, it's a roadmap. It's tell you about how much thing was developed in this project and in future how much thing you can see. So must read it and these details are very informative for you to, so must read it and then join this project. Team member was also available and you can see partner programs, sport, median, white paper, each and everything was available. So main important thing of this project was the pre-sale of this project was going live. So I will tell you how you can participate in it. You can see the pre-sale detail was available. Welcome to the cash limit pre-sale and you can simply buy cash coin from this pre-sale. As you can see, cash available for sale, total sale was 50 million, market cap was 600k and total supply was 1 billion. And you can see current price per token is 0.005. So I will tell you how you can participate in it. Simply connect your wallet, click on a buy or now option and I will connect my wallet with my MetaMask account. So then we participate in this pre-sale. So simply first of all I unlock my account and then I will join it. So simply you can see I successfully connect my wallet and then you can see the detail. So it's a very simple and easy method. So simply check it every detail and simply confirm it, then you can sign in this pre-sale. Simply I confirm it and successfully sign in this party in pre-sale and then I will tell you how you can purchase it. So friend, as you can see, the pre-sale detail was showing on screen. Total pre-sale was going to hard cap was available 2,50,000 USDT. Total price was available and after this pre-sale the price will be increased and you can get a profit. How much you want to purchase, simply click on a percentage option and you can get also a 20% bonus from this platform. You have an opportunity from buying from USDC, Ethereum and USDT. Each and every option was available. If you buy 1 lakh cash, you can get 2 lakh cash in your wallet, so it's a very good opportunity for you. Simply click on a buy option and enter your amount, and then you can easily purchase from your wallet. So it's a very easy method and good thing for you, so must participate in it and join this pre-sale to get more profit in future. So it's a good opportunity for you, and must read the white paper to get know about how my thing was developed in this project, and many more things was available in detail. So must read it. Abstract was available, read the detail, and then you will know about how project work. Token detail was also available. It was using ERC20 network and give you a detail about the token, and you can see a good ecosystem was working in this project and give you many more opportunities. The background cryptocurrency and digital asset industry was also available, you can see it, and detail was also available. So must read it, and you can simply buy the token of this project cash, and also it's give you a wallet to secure your assets with multiple networks. So it's a good opportunity for you. Must read it and be the member of this project. You can see the team of this project, and disclaimer was also available. So must read the detail and then join it to get more profit in future. So hopefully you will like this video. Must join the pre-sale, get bonuses and also get profit in future. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be meet in next video.